welcome to blast number 25, which is really, for you, blast number 33. Question 1 does not have a picture, so let me just read it to you. It says, which two numbers together have a sum of 10 and a product of 16? So you need to answer the two numbers together that have a sum of 10 and a product of 16. Question number 2 is right here. It says, divide 64 by 3. Write your answer on the answer line. Is there a remainder? Question number 3. At which of the times on the sheet do the hands of an analog clock make a straight angle? At which of these times do the hands of an analog clock make a straight angle? Question number 4. Which amount listed for question 4 equals 750 milliliters? Question number 5. Which picture shows a cross section of a tennis ball? Which picture shows a cross section of a tennis ball? Questions 6 through 10 are about the weather chart on the paper. The weather chart is a type of graph. Study the key. The pictures tell what the weather was like on a particular day. Question 6. How many days were strong winds recorded? On how many days were strong winds recorded? Question number 7. What sort of weather followed immediately after the windy days? Question 8. How many days had rain? Question 9. If baseball games are on Fridays, how many times do you think they may have been canceled in that month? Question 10. What was the weather like on the last Tuesday of the month? Question 11 through 15. Choose the unit you would use to measure the area of each of the following, and please use these abbreviations. Question 11. Which would you use to measure the area of the United States? Which of these would you use to measure the area of the United States? Question 12. Which would you use to measure the area of a wheat farm? Question 13. Which would you use to measure the area of Flea's bedspread? Question 14. Which would you use to measure the area of carpet in a room? And question 15. Which would you use to measure the area of a $50 bill? And you should have used all of them at this point. Okay, question 16. What is the volume of a rectangular prism with the measurements given? What is the volume of a rectangular prism with the measurements given? Question 17. Add the volumes on your paper. Write the total answer on line 17. Please include your units. Okay, questions 18 through 20. What is the area of the classroom that you see on your paper? Question 19. What is the area of the storeroom? And question 20. What is the combined area of the storeroom and the classroom? Okay, then very last, down here at the bottom, you have this line graph. I need you to answer these questions over here pertaining to the line graph. And I'm going to leave the graph up because I think you can see the questions on your paper, but the graph might be a little bit small, so hopefully that can help you. If you need to pause it, you can pause it to finish this graph. Otherwise, that is BLAST 33.